What's going on, everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're checking out two cases for the OnePlus 7 Pro. We have the carbon bumper, and we also have the carbon protective case. Now they look very similar. They are quite similar, but there are a few key differences. You can pick them up on OnePlus's website. I'll leave the link in the description where you can pick these up. You can also get a discount when picking up any accessory when you purchase a OnePlus 6T or a 7 Pro. As well. So we have our Nebula Blue. We're going to go ahead and check how these fit and how they feel on the actual phone itself. So we're going to go ahead and start with the protective case first. As the name might suggest, it is going to be more protective. We'll see exactly how much more protective it is. So we can see here we have the top and the bottom actually cut out, and we have the back kind of raised up just a little bit to meet the camera bump. Both sides are open, and then we have our carbon fiber type feel for it. If we slap the case on here, very nice, snug, super slim. Like, this is literally like just protection from against scratches. It's not going to give you protection for any sort of drops. We can see the nice Nebula Blue color peeking out from the carbon black dark. So it gives a really nice accent onto the blue, or if you have the white, or maybe the mirror gray. The mirror gray is probably going to blend in pretty nicely, but you have access to all your buttons. You don't have to worry about the camera pop-up there. So yeah, this is going to be really nice. It's not going to add any sort of bulk, as you can see swiping in from the side. I don't have a tempered glass screen protector. I still have the included screen protector that OnePlus includes on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So you can see, you can't really even tell that there is one basically at that point. So yeah, so really not much protection for the camera glass, but that's why it comes up just a little bit to basically meet flush. This feels really good. This is the actual TPU case that comes with the phone. I've been using this basically since I got it, and it's actually been doing me quite well. But I think it's time for a change. The power button was a little finicky. I didn't quite like it. But other than that, it offers great protection from day one. So if we take a look at the bumper, now I'm not sure why it's called bumper if this already feels like a bumper case. Now here we can definitely immediately see some differences. We can see the bottom and the top are covered. The buttons and the sides are covered. This feels more like a protective case than this one. The protective case, I think they got the naming wrong. I think this should be called bumper, and then this should be protective. That's just my opinion. I'm not sure why they didn't do that, or why the naming convention is that way. But we'll put buttons in first. I guess there's buttons on both sides, so it doesn't matter technically. So the sides are going to be like a rubbery TPU kind of material. And then, yeah, so this is going to be much better in terms of protection for both top and bottom. Maybe a little bit more drop protection, because this is a more pliable, shock resistant material. But the back is still the same material and finish and feel. We can actually see the case is a little bit thicker as well. There's no curvature around the camera for the case. Our power and volume buttons actually still all feel the same and are accessible. Same with our volume, basically mute switch. Our camera up top, if we just open that real quick, it's not hindered in any sort of way. You can see there. Bottom, you have your USB-C cutout port, your bottom firing speaker grill, and two mic holes there. So yeah, so you can pick these up on OnePlus's site. It's going to be like $20, $25 or so for either of these cases. They come in a couple of different material types. So yeah, definitely, if it was my choice, it really depends, to be honest. I've always liked these cases because, I've always liked these cases because it allows you to actually feel the buttons as they're supposed to feel without any sort of hindrance. But then again, you get less protection for the top and bottom. I kind of wish the tops and bottom of this case were closed and this was opened, but that's just me. But this is super thin, super light. There's the OnePlus logo and EvuTech branding there too. You can pick these up along with your OnePlus 7 Pro or 6T purchase on oneplus.com using my affiliate link down below. You'll get $10 off on any accessory, so charger, case, car charger, that sort of thing. You're good to go. If you guys have questions on either of these two, the protective or the bumper, let me know down in the comments below, or even the TPU case that comes with the phone itself. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.